Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 9 physics chapter 10 work and energy. We've already discussed two parts of this chapter in the previous videos. If you have missed any of those, please get back to those videos and try to listen children. We've discussed the concept of work in the first two parts. So now we are going to learn about this concept called energy. Okay, we are going to learn about energy here. So in energy, we will first learn about what is energy, and then we'll be learning the other concepts related to energy in the upcoming videos. So what is this energy? We all need energy, isn't it children? If we need to do a work, we need energy. Okay, so energy is the ability to do work. Okay, to do work I need energy, so that ability is called energy. Okay, so if I'm going to have energy while I'm going to do a work, my energy will be lost. Likewise, when I am taking rest, there is some energy getting transferred into me, or I am getting some rest, so I get some energy to do some work for the upcoming day, okay, or for the the remaining part of the day. So that is what we saw in very common terms of energy. So when we talk about energy here, see this, the object which has energy loses it. Okay, so if you have some energy, you will lose it while doing a work. Likewise, when work is done on another object means you do a work on some other object. For example, if there is a small child, okay, if there is a child like 1 year or 2 year old small child, okay, and we carry the child upwards to, for example, you carry the child to 2 floors or 3 floors, all through the steps you carry and go. So there you can say that you are doing the energy and the work is done on the child. Okay, so who is doing the work? We are doing the work. So we lose the energy. We lose the energy, and the child on whom the work is being done, the child gets energy, and on reaching the 3rd floor, the child will have enough energy to play, but we have already lost the energy. So where have we lost it? Our energy has gone to the child. Okay, so we can say that the energy is getting transferred from one object to another when work is done. Is it clear children? So energy is transferred from one object to another when work is done. So energy and work are going to be the same, and they are going to have the same SI unit, that is nothing but joule. Okay, so energy and work are the same. Okay, so wherever you write energy, you can write it as work. Wherever you write it as work, you can write it as energy. It is nothing but something similar to what you learnt in your second unit, where you can say weight is also nothing but the force. Okay, so weight is nothing but the force. So that is something similar here. Energy and work are interrelated and they have the same SI unit, that is going to be joule. Is it clear children? So this is about this energy, and we have various forms of energy. So all these are different types of energy. So if you look into a fan, you have wind energy. Okay, you have wind energy. Does it have only wind energy? No. Before it got the wind energy, you had what? You had the current. Okay, so from where did you get the current? From thermal power plant, or from some nuclear power plant, or from your tidal energy, some kind of energy. Okay, that's coming as wind energy. That wind energy is going to give us some fresh air. Okay, so by that we also gain some energy. So in that case, you can see that energy is just getting transferred from one form to another. Is it clear children? So this is what you learned about. You learn about different forms of energy. Okay, so in that different forms of energy, we are going to learn about one main type called the mechanical energy. So what are the other different forms of energy? Mechanical, heat, sound energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy, light energy, chemical energy and magnetic energy. But for our syllabus, we are going to learn only about mechanical energy. And in mechanical energy, you have two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay, you have two types, potential and kinetic, which we will be learning in the next part. Okay, so today we'll just learn what this mechanical energy is all about. Okay, so mechanical energy is nothing but energy in motion. Okay, so an object is going to move or some work is being done, some mechanical work is being done, then you can talk about mechanical energy. So the examples are hammering. Okay, so you use a hammer to hit a nail, then there you can see mechanical energy. Or even when you talk about the motor, there is mechanical energy. Or a ball rolling down a hill, even there you have mechanical energy. Is it clear, children? So when you talk about mechanical energy, see, you have different examples here. So first you have the petrol or the diesel being filled into the car. So where you have chemical energy that is being converted into mechanical energy. Likewise, in your steam engines, you can say that thermal energy is getting converted into mechanical energy. So the steam engine running, there you have mechanical work being done. Okay, so this is how your energy is getting transferred. Here you have several other energy transformations, children. Please go through all these so that it will be useful for you, because you will have questions relating to this. You will have questions like give an example of electrical energy to light energy, or you might be asked an example of what energy conversion takes place in the torchlight. Okay, so even if it is going to be torchlight, you can very well say that it's going to be chemical energy to light energy. For all these things, you need to go through these kind of examples. Is it clear, children? So this is your mechanical energy, that is nothing but energy that is used to do work. It is the sum of the objects kinetic and potential, which you will be learning in your part 4. Okay, part 4 we will be learning about this. So as I told you first itself, you have two types here, potential energy, kinetic energy. We will learn about each of these in the upcoming videos. So the best examples are elevator, car, hammer in motion. All these are examples of mechanical energy. Okay, here you can see that this boy is going to hit this nail with the hammer. So first he is going to lift the hammer. So at that time you can say work is done on the hammer. Work is done on the hammer. So the hammer is gaining energy. Hammer gains energy and this boy loses energy. This boy loses energy. But here what do you see? This gained energy is being used up during the process of hammering. Is it clear, children? So this is how this energy transformation takes place. So we will learn it in terms of kinetic and potential energy in the upcoming videos from the next part in this chapter, children. So please go through the concepts once again, read through the textbook, only then it will be easy for you. Thank you, children. See you again in the next video.